Reasons of deteriorating law and order situation in Pakistan. The deterioration of law and order in Pakistan can be attributed to a complex interplay of social, economic, political and security factors. Reasons contributing to this situation are political instability, frequent changes in government, political unrest, and power struggles among different political parties had led to a lack of focus on law enforcement and governance. Corruption. Widespread corruption within governmental institutions undermines the rule of law and erodes public trust in government. Terrorism and extremism. Pakistan has been grappling with terrorism and extremism for years, with various militant groups operating within its borders. These groups pose a significant challenge to law enforcement and contribute to insecurity. Ethnic and sectarian tensions. Pakistan is a diverse country with various ethnic and sectarian groups. Tensions and conflicts among these groups often erupt into violence, challenging law enforcement efforts to maintain order. Weak judicial system, delays in the judicial process, inefficiency, and a lack of resources in the judicial system contribute to a sense of impunity among criminals and hinder effective law enforcement. Poverty and unemployment, socioeconomic disparities, poverty, and lack of economic opportunities contribute to crime rates as people may turn to illegal activities as a means of survival. Drug trafficking. Pakistan serves as a transit route for drug trafficking, particularly of opiates from neighboring Afghanistan. The involvement of organized criminal networks in drug trafficking undermines law and order. Weak border control. Porous borders, particularly with Afghanistan, facilitate the movement of militants, weapons, and illicit goods, making it challenging for authorities to maintain control and security. Weapon proliferation. The widespread availability of illegal weapons exacerbates violence and crime, making it more difficult for law enforcement agencies to maintain law and order. Lack of police reforms, inadequate training, outdated policing methods, and a lack of accountability within law enforcement agencies hinder their effectiveness in combating crime and maintaining public order. Addressing these issues requires a comprehensive approach that involves political stability, judicial reforms, counterterrorism efforts, socio-economic development, and strengthening law enforcement and border control measures.